Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you had a nice and good expiry day, right? Because obviously everyone should have made money unless until you exited in time. In fact, Bank Nifty was in steroids. Bank Nifty moved like anything. Low was around 43,100 levels. Then it went all the way to 43,500. It settled above 43,500 levels, right? And in fact, our members who followed us and we told a trade yesterday, and that trade gave us a profit of around 5%. So 5% is what our members, actually this trade was recommended to our members, and you can see here this level. You can see here the profit was around 15k to 17k. Capital was around somewhere around 3 or 3.5 lakhs. So this was one of opportunity. Until now, till this December series, they have made 6%. Okay, so this is how we are performing, and this is just 5 lots recommended to them. I don't trade in 5 lots. If you are aware, maybe you can add one here and 0 here. Lots this much only we trade. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example how we trade, right? So this is how the markets are behaving, and one person asked me, what if the market had gone below 43,000 downside? So I tweeted yesterday, I told in our Telegram group also, if the market sustains above 43,000, we are going to be in good profit, and that's how this market has panned out. I knew that this is going to markets are not likely to go below 43,000. Bank Nifty I'm talking about, because Bank Nifty was super bullish, right? In fact, if you see yesterday, this is the chart of Bank Nifty. You can see that this line, this green, this orange line, this is the level. This level is around 41,700 levels, 41,750 levels. If at all the market from here, if it comes on the downside, if it comes on the downside, maybe it will have a support at 41,750 levels. We are at 43,500. So maybe more than around 1,700 points. At the same time, Nifty is very it is not going on the higher side. I don't know if you are looking at this. Let me take you to the chart. Okay, if you see this chart, so if you see this chart, there is a divergence in RSI and price action. See, price action is going on the higher side. At the same time, divergence is coming on the downside. Higher high in price action, but higher low in RSI. So that is called a negative divergence. I am not saying markets are going to crash. Maybe if the market comes down, if the Bank Nifty tries to come down, it will have a support at 41,750 levels. At the same time, if the Nifty is coming down, it will have a very good support at 18,000 levels. So this second green line, there is one line on the above and a second line on the downside. So you can see here lots of price action in this area, and this area. I have circled everything. So whenever market reaches this area, there is a rejection and markets are likely coming down. So that is what I believe. So in case we will wait for tomorrow, next week trade, we will try to do a good trade next week. Maybe we will try to do some strangles or obviously we are non-directional traders. We will do straddles and strangles, and we will try to make some adjustments, or we will try to mint some money, right? So this is how our trade performed. Now coming to next week, what I have planned is, now you know that what we did yesterday was a very, very good opportunity. You know that when yesterday we traded, India VIX was around 14 levels, right? Today it was down by 2.5%, if I'm right. Yeah, it came to around maybe 12.25 levels. So this VIX drop is a very, very advantageous to us. VIX dropping by around 2.5% or 3% was a very, very good advantage for us, so that we could make some money. And not only yesterday, we usually take iron flies on every expiry, and it works out 90% of the time, right? But what the thing is, you have to know when you have to take it, how you have to take it, what time you have to take it. taking an iron fly is not a big issue, right? Everyone can take an iron fly, right? Every Tom, Dick and Harry, or even a fifth grade girl or boy can do an iron fly. But when you have to take it, how you have to take it, in case it moves further, in case it breaks the break even point, what are you going to do? That is the main question here. That is what you have to learn. So we have talked so much about iron fly. In fact, we have so much adjustments about iron fly. Even yesterday's video I told about iron fly. We have a very separate playlist for iron fly adjustment. You can go and check the playlist, and you can mimic or you can tweak the iron fly as per your risk attitude, or how much you are ready to take a risk, whether you are going to do it with 5 lots or 50 lots or whatsoever, right? So this is how markets are, and this is how we plan our trades. So for next week, in case now what I am seeing is markets are kind of, now since all the news are factored into this, RBI policy is done, Gujarat elections is done, and you might know that BJP has won Gujarat, I think around 140 seats. I didn't watch the news. I heard somewhere that it has won by majority of 140 seats. This is the 7th time they are winning. So everything is factored into. Now what I think is we will see some correction, and we will see Bank Nifty going towards 41,700 levels, or 42,000 levels, or maybe even above that. I can tell you, Bank Nifty doesn't want to give up at all. And the Nifty, if you see today's price action, it was kind of very resilient. It doesn't want to move at all. It was moving zigzag like this. But this is Nifty. But if you see Bank Nifty was like rocket. It was in rocket. Every dip was being bought into, and it was going like a rocket. So we will wait for some time. We will see if there is any consolidation. Then we will try to buy the dips, or we will try to do some strategies. If the market moves downside, we will change from delta positive to delta negative, or if the market is going high, we will change from delta negative to delta positive. But we will always start with delta neutral strategy. That is how we have planned our trade for coming weeks. So don't worry, we will try to we will post in our Telegram and Twitter account. If you want, you can follow us our Telegram or Twitter account, a link for which for both are in the description below. So this is how things are looking like. There is nothing much we have to talk about. Markets are super resilient, as I talked to you. Even US futures are all in the green. I think Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. And hopefully we will see market going on the higher side only. I don't see any last 2 or 3 days. If you are following US market, you might know that Dow Jones was down by more than, I think, day before yesterday it was down by 600 points. Yesterday it was down by around 450 points. Day before yesterday, before that 600 points. Day before yesterday 400 points. Yesterday around 200 points. Today it is showing green. Now all these days, in spite of negative global cues, our markets were resilient. It is not going down. Nifty doesn't want to go below 18,600, and Bank Nifty doesn't want to go below 43,000. So when global cues were negative, our markets were performing, and if global cues are positive, you imagine what is going to happen to our market. So this is how things are looking like. I don't have to talk much about the market, and I have decided not to talk about the market. I don't want to talk about the market, what has happened to the market. I will talk in specific about strategies, how we have deployed strategies, and what we are going to do if our strategies are going wrong, right? So nothing much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.